What's up everyone, Josh Quinones here, and this is it. It's real, it's legit. It's the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, our very first official look at a real device. Shout out to my dude, Jimmy is Promo. He posted this a while ago on his Twitter, so I'll have his Twitter and his YouTube channel linked down in the description below so you can go and check him out. But look at this. This confirms everything we saw in the most recent leak of this device in the beautiful bronze color. He shows us the camera setup, which actually looks pretty cool, but I do gotta say it does look a bit big as well. I guess we won't really know until we get one in hand. The S Pen does look the same as the one that comes with the Note 10 Plus, so no real physical changes there. I'm sure they will add more features though. He also gives us a side view showing how super thin the bezels are, which in my opinion look great. It gives us more of an all-screen experience, especially with these Samsung displays. You just can't go wrong. They look absolutely beautiful, so this is going to make it look even better. It also gives us a look at the volume rockers and power button, which looks like it will be on the right side, same as the S20 series. Then he also gives us a peek of the front of the device on the display. The camera hole punch cutout definitely looks a bit smaller coming from the Note 10 Plus, and it looks like it will be running the new One UI 2.5. So what do you all think? Our very first look at the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, an official real device. I'm not gonna lie, I am super excited. August is right around the corner, and that's when this device will be officially unveiled, August 5th. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment sections below. I am really curious to see what you all think. Please excuse the audio. I was not home when making this video, but wanted to get it out to you guys ASAP. So if you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.